Hello from Zagreb. I decided to spend warm summer day in Botanical Garden and to see this new promenade which's been built 2020. The Botanical Garden was established in 1889 for the Department of Botany and Physiology of the Faculty of Philosophy. The university itself is the oldest Croatian university and also the oldest in Southeast Europe. It was founded by Emperor and King Leopold I Habsburg in 1669. As the Botanical Garden was established for the Department of the Faculty of Philosophy, and the Faculty of Philosophy was, as a university, founded by the Emperor and the King. Therefore, we used to tell sometimes that this is a royal botanical garden. There are many structures all around, and since 1892 it's been built this public toilet. Then two artificial small lakes, basins with a fountain, which we'll see later. So this bridge is being renovated recently, and it's possible today to enjoy lovely view from all around the ponds and the bridge to take the rest in a hot summer day. The exhibition pavilion from the same year, 1892, just the roof construction is original. The rest is being also recently restored, and here we see again this beautiful constructions done as according to photo material of the Botanical Garden. The Botanical Garden, when established, it was located at the periphery of the town, counting only 38,000 inhabitants living in 2,000 homes. Most of the garden was built in a landscape style, English style, but also there is a French style which is being built on the southern side of the greenhouse. The parterre ornamental flower beds are located south of the greenhouse, and it's built in a French style according to a strict geometrical and symmetrical ground plan, with basins with a fountain, having interesting shapes, nice symmetrical geometrical forms with beautiful flowers. Here we see Victoria's house, small tropical greenhouse. All around, beautiful flowers, symmetric nature, but inside very, very warm and hot. And we see these giant Santa Cruz lilies. They can reach up to 2 meters in diameter. I did not stay long in Victoria's house, and inside is really very, very warm. And a hot summer day, I just needed a refreshment, which I could find all around this beautiful green oasis with flowers, with water, with fountains, with lakes, bridge, everything you really need for your peaceful, enjoyable rest of the summer day.